dressed there. You're really pretty, aren't you?
Yes, come on.
Come on. Unfortunately, I didn't do any personal grooming before I came out on this holiday. And I need to cut my toenails because they're now that long that they're making one of the toes bleed.
You're seriously gross.
I'm gross. Right, over the bridge.
We need oil.
Over
We need
the
oil
bridge.
to cut your toenails.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. On the way to breakfast at Silky Oaks the first morning. Woo. Seems like a nice girl. So it's Tuesday morning and we've gone walkabout in the rainforest. We're following this little path to hopefully end up at a place called Wave Rock, where we have been before many years ago. So we're in the heart of the Daintree rainforest on walkabout. G'day.
Are these eggs of mushrooms?
Don't know.
Look, as you're coming past.
Some sort of plant. Phew. Whew. So here we are. We've found Wave Rock. We clambered through the sort of undergrowth of the rainforest and we eventually found the famous Wave Rock. Well, just by following the signs, to be honest. So as you can tell, you can see why it's called Wave Rock. Isn't it lovely? What a beautiful area. And there's Nicola Moon, look, she clambered in the water already. We did come here some 17 years ago and we had a very lovely time in this area. In fact, if I remember rightly, I think I even got naked. That's an awful thought, isn't it?
Hiya! Nice new mode of wearing a hat.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yes.
Here we are at Wave Rock, the Daintree rainforest, and a lovely time on a Tuesday morning.
Beats being at home at work.
Oh. Morning. So this is what we've been clambering through the rainforest to find. This is Fig Tree Falls. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? We're gonna have a quick swim a minute. Woo! Fig Tree Falls. Morning.
Morning.
Sorry, did anybody say we're tourists on this holiday? No. Not us.
Don't be silly.
No way, we wouldn't act like bloody tourists.
No.
No way. G'day.
G'day.
Morning. Woo. Beautiful. Wow. G'day.